You want to learn how to do Jacob's ladder? I know I do. Well then, let's get going. Okay. Here is a quick version of how to do Jacob's ladder. Step 1. So the first position is to thread it through like this, just behind, like that, and on your palm like that. Same with this hand, so that if you spread it out, all the way, it would look like that, basically. Then you grab your pointer index finger, slide it up your palm string, like so, to create sort of like an A sort of look. Then you do that with your other pointer index finger to create the starting position of cat's cradle. Step 2. Step 2 is when you drop your thumbs, like so, to just create this look, an X and 2 lines outside of them. Step 3. So after you've dropped your thumbs, then you reach your thumb all the way behind all of the strings. And then sort of grab or pull the last string toward you under all of the other strings, so that it ends up looking like this on your hand and like this. Step 4. So after you've pulled this string behind, then what you'd do is you would go over this first string the closest to your thumb and under the next string, like that. Then after that, you drop your pinkies and do the same thing except to your pinkies. You go over the first string and under the second string to where it looks like. Step 5. So after you've done that to both your thumb and your pinky, then you drop your thumb again, so that it looks sort of like a big mesh in the middle and then just lines coming out to your fingers. Then you go 2 over instead of 1, and then you go 1 under, if that makes sense, to where it would look sort of like this. You're almost there. Step 6. After you do that, then if you see a loop around here, you grab it, but you don't take it all the way off, you just put it on the thumb. And you do this to both sides. So you grab this and put it on the thumb. After that, you take the bottom string that's on your thumb, if you notice that you have 2 strings, and take it off and pull. You do the same to the other side. Grab your bottom string, take it off of your thumb and pull. Step 7. After you've done this, if you stretch it out as far as it can go, there's a triangle that you notice, one right there and one right there. They're really small, but they're still easy to pick out because they're the closest to your thumb. So then what you do is you put your index finger into it, into both of them. So you put your other index finger in there. Then you let go of everything else except for your index and thumb finger and push it and lift it up like this. And then you have got Jacob's ladder. So try this a few times, look at all of this, and then you will end up with this. 8. So after you're done with this and you don't want to get it into a huge knot, what you do, you go down and then write what you think is the middle, which sort of looks like an hourglass right here. You just pull and it doesn't get into a big knot. So we are FP Productions and we hope that you guys learned how to do Jacob's ladder. So stay tuned for bloopers. Did you learn how to do Jacob's ladder? Hip hip hooray! Real time, like real time. I don't want 20 pizzas. I don't want that. I don't have money for 20 pizzas. Did you learn how to do cat cradle? Hip hip hooray! Look, it's popcorn. Yummy! Yummy! So salty and buttery. Yum. Oh, the dream. The kernels are so crunchy. Oh.